Hello, my name is Lea Petak and I am a regional tourist guide for Upper Carniola region in Slovenia. I am also a proud member of Argos Association for Regional Tourist Guides of Slovenia. Today I am in Javorniški Rovt, a very small settlement with only 200 inhabitants above the city Jesenice. So I am now here. Basically I am embraced with Karavanke Alps, which are also our natural border with Austria. So this location, we can say it's not really popular for foreign visitors because it's very unknown. But for Slovenes, it's very popular, especially now in May because the daffodils starts to blossom. So all the meadows around turn from green to white. And today we will discover them together. The daffodil is one of the first flowers that do blossom in spring, and it represents the symbol of beauty as well. It applies to be one of the most celebrated flowers in Greek and Roman mythology. It's also often associated with Greek legend of Narcissus. There are many different species of daffodil around the world. The ones that you can admire on this video are called poet's daffodil. Latin name is Narcissus poeticus. No wonder, their beauty is just amazing. In English, they are known as pheasant's eye or pinkster lily. Such a beauty awakes the imagination. Poet's daffodil habitat are mountain meadows around 1,000 meters above the sea level. As soon as the snow melts, they come out from the soil. They can grow from 20 to 40 centimeters tall. Usually the blossom starts in the end of April till the end of May, but up on the higher pastures you can still watch them blossom in the first part of June. These flowers do not mind lower temperatures. They survive also with a temperature around 0 degrees Celsius. Each night the temperature here goes a bit above zero. When they blossom all together at the same time. So here on just 1 square meter you can see from 50 to 100 flowers. As you can see by yourself, it's like being in a white fairy tale. As all around the world, different names for daffodils can be found. We know 120 different names for them, but in Upper Carniola region, a name Ključavnica is often used. Ključavnica means lock. The name appeared according to the local legend, which says that God forbid the work on Sunday to all the animals. All the animals did listen to God, except the bees. Because of them, God really became angry and locked the flower with a small obstacle between stem and blossom in order that the bees could no longer get the pollen from the daffodils. From that day on, the bees are following the rules and us are using the word Ključavnica to name the poet's daffodil. I would really like to thank you for watching this video and I hope to meet you soon in Slovenia.